Good morning, Mrs. Babeka.
How are we today?
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, good. Today we have English grammar. And our topic for today is punctuation. But before we look at the topic, I want someone to remind me what we did last week.
Learn about nouns.
Nouns, good. Can you remind the class of what a noun is?
We said nouns are naming words.
They are naming words. Naming words. That is to say, a noun must have what? A name. Anything that has a name automatically is a noun. Okay. Now, can we give examples of nouns?
We have Taiwo.
Taiwo. And this is a name of a person. Good.
We have Bagada.
Bagada. And our school is situated at Bagada. Yes. Name of a place. Good. Ruler. And that is a thing. Good. Lion. Very good. And that's an animal. Very good. So in a nutshell, a noun is a name of any person, name of places, name of a thing, or names of animals. Very good. Now, can somebody tell me what this is? A plus.
Yes.
And that's a symbol. Where do we use plus?
To add numbers together.
Okay, we use it to add numbers together, but we use this symbol in mathematics. Isn't that so?
Yes.
And this is what? Minus, which shows that we are going to subtract. The same way that you have symbols in mathematics, we have symbols in English language. And these are some of we are going to look at one or two of these symbols that we use in English language, and that's what we call punctuation. Punctuation marks. They are marks that we use in English language to make our reading better, to make what we write clearer to our readers, and to make our work neater. Now, let's begin with punctuation marks. What are they? Punctuation. They are marks, or you can say signs, or symbols. Very good. Symbols used in writing, particularly in English language. Used in writing. Very good. And we're only going to look at 3 of them this morning. The first one, capital letter. Capital letter. Before you begin any sentence at all, you must start your sentences with capital letters. Start sentences with capital letters. For instance, let me give you examples. Taiwo is a girl. Taiwo, this is a noun, is a name of a person. So any name of a person must begin with capital letter. Names of people must begin with capital letters. I am going home. I, beginning of a sentence, must start with a capital letter. Secondly, we'll look at full stop. Second punctuation mark for today. The second will be full stop. Full stop. Full stop. And this is the symbol. That's the symbol. A. It is also called a period. Full stop. At the end of the sentence, you must always put a full stop. So full stop is used at the end of every sentence. Can somebody give me a sentence?
This is a cat.
Very good. This is a cat. Full stop. Another sentence.
Mary has a big ball.
Thank you. Mary has a big ball. Full stop. Because that is the end of the sentence. Full stop. And then the third punctuation mark that we shall learn today is question mark. Question mark. And this is the symbol. Question mark. Now, how do we use this? How do we use question mark? Question mark is used, it is used at the end of a question. You use question mark at the end of any question. For instance, can somebody give me a question?
Can I have your pen, please?
Thank you. Can I have your pen, please? Question mark. Another question.
Who has the
Okay, let me give you one. Who has a pencil? Who has a pencil? Very good. Question mark. Now today, we have learned that punctuation marks are marks or signs or symbols that we use in writing, particularly in English language. And the importance of these question marks is that it makes reading clearer. It makes what you are trying to tell your audience clearer and better. And we took a look at about 3 punctuation marks. We started with a capital letter, and we said at the beginning of any sentence, you must use a capital letter. You must begin your sentence with a capital letter. In the example, in number 2, I am going home. For number 1, we also said that every proper nouns means particular names of people, particular places, particular things, or particular animals, must always begin with a capital letter. Then we went on to talk about the full stop. Full stop, also called period, must end every sentence. If you don't add your full stop at the end of your sentence, that means that sentence is meaningless. If you know you want to make your sentence meaningful, then you add your full stop. This is a cat. Mary has a big ball. If you do not add the full stop, it might suggest that you still want to continue the sentence. So when you are done with your sentence, always add your full stop. Then we took a look at question mark, and this is the symbol. What is a question mark used for? It is used at the end of a question. Whenever you ask a question, always end that question with a question mark. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you have any question, you can let me know by putting your question in the comment box. Until when I shall see you the next class, stay safe. God bless you.